Alicia and them paid for it. And all of these people seem to not mind it. Just because of the convenience, probably. This is our pool. Where? Oh. That is awesome.
Wanna hold them?
Go ahead and hold them, baby.
No. No. Hey.
That is awesome. Now you gotta smile. We gotta get a good shot. That looks more scared. Thank you. That is sweet.
Thank you.
How'd it feel?
I didn't want her to come and bite my head.
He talked to him like it was a
Person.
yeah, like a
dog.
little kid.
Did you record it?
Huh?
Or you take
Yeah.
a picture of it?
Video. That looks so beautiful.
Yeah, it's big.
Was it heavy?
A little bit.
He wanted to watch.
I know.
This is the aftermath after having a large, beautiful parrot on her arm. He did not bite, but her biceps was still looking swollen. The gorgeous water. That was cool. Good timing on the parrot.
I shouldn't have said, ooh, look, parrot.
Lovely. All the way down. Which one? Our room is up there to the left of the, on the 4th floor. There's only 5 floors. And that is where we played ping pong last night.
Oh yes, it was.
Full of relaxation and beauty. And the beach house. I'll cut it here.